Hello, my teacher friends! I'm super excited about today's video. Kids love Halloween and all that goes along with it. I don't blame them. It's so much fun. Today I'm going to show and tell you all about my Ghoul and the Gang theme puzzle word games, so you can do them in your classroom whiteboards. Let's get right to it. My name is Kathy Krusak. Are you looking for cool tips and tricks to help get you in the creative spirit in your classroom? Well, you came to the right place. My mission is to help as many teachers as I can in showing them my creative style, and perhaps you can incorporate that in your classrooms. So if this is the sort of thing that you're into, please click the follow me button so you know when I have new creative ideas coming out. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or let me know how I'm doing. It's totally free and it really helps me continue to make content that helps you. So thanks. Without further ado, let's get right to it. This is the Ghoul and the Gang Halloween theme puzzle and word game bundle. 6 in all, and all the possibilities are endless. When your student gets finished with their puzzles, you can print them out and decorate your classroom. Nothing more cooler than having ghoulish posters perfect for your Halloween theme all over your classroom. Your kids will be proud that their ghoul is up on your Halloween bulletin board. It'll be a scream. I'm sure of it. How awesome is that? That's totally epic. We got Ghoul number 1, Count Dracula. Halloween would never be complete without the Count. So why not invite him to your classroom? Your students will have so much fun. I know it. You're all tied up. Don't forget Ghoul number 2, the Mummy. He's got plenty of candy to share and many faces to go along with it. Running up so close to number 3, Little Witchy Pooh. She's perfect match for this ghoulish crowd. She has plenty of spiders who like to hang around. Hope you're not scared of Little Witchy Pooh. Halloween would not be complete without the big, huge pumpkin patch. He's missing some of those little teeth. Must be all that candy he has. Yikes! And the number 5 spot, it's the one and only, the only one, the unforgettable. He's invited to every Halloween party, and he's everybody's friend. A simple creature and doesn't like to talk too much. The one, the only, the classic monster of all time, it's Frankenstein! Number 6, and lastly, the ghoulish and the scariest of them all. Out of the creepiest place on earth, the swamps of Louisiana Bayou. You just don't know what's down there. It's anyone's guess. Whoever swam in a murky pond knows an eerie feeling as something's brushing along your leg. It's the Honey Island Swamp Monster. What? This monster is also claimed to fame as half man and half beast, lurking in the swamps of New Orleans with his big, huge footprints and his supposed videos to prove it. Yes, he's also called Bigfoot. I really do believe. That puts a rag on this bush. Hope you enjoy this Halloween and fall season. This is super easy stuff. Let me know what your kids created. I'd love to hear about it. Again, my name is Kathy Krusak, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Y'all come back now, you hear? Toodaloo.